Hello and welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a smoky, spicy and absolutely delicious Chicken Tawa Kabab, perfect for dinner or as a party starter. Let's start the recipe. Take 500 gram of boneless chicken thigh pieces. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup beaten curd, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon chicken tikka masala, half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything well and keep aside for 30 minutes. Use thigh pieces instead of breast for juicier result. Using curd instead of cream makes the marinade lighter and healthier. Always marinate the chicken for at least 30 minutes. Longer gives more flavor. Adding curd in the marinade helps keep chicken tender and juicy. Now fry the marinated chicken in medium heated oil for 6 to 7 minutes until golden and cooked. Set it aside. For the smoky flavor, place a hot charcoal in a bowl, drizzle some mustard oil, cover, and let the chicken absorb the smoke for 5 minutes. Next, heat 1 tablespoon oil. Saute 2 tablespoons chopped onion, and 2 garlic cloves. Then add 3 tablespoon onion rings. And 3 tablespoon capsicum. A small amount of mustard oil not only adds flavor but also boosts metabolism. Now add the cooked chicken. Stir fry onions and capsicum on high heat to keep them crunchy. Chicken thighs provide high quality protein and are rich in B vitamins. Onions and garlic help improve immunity and digestion. For the sauce mixture, combine 3 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar and half teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder. Mix well. And pour over the chicken. Don't skip the charcoal smoke, it's what makes the dish restaurant style. Finally, sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon salt, garam masala and a little tikka masala for extra flavor. Charcoal smoking or dungar is an age-old Indian cooking method for giving food a tandoor-like flavor. Onions not only add sweetness but also balance the spicy flavors of chicken perfectly. This dish is inspired by street-style chicken recipes popular in Indian and Bangladeshi food stalls. And that's it, your smoky, spicy and flavorful chicken tawa kebab is ready. Serve it hot with naan, roti or even fried rice and watch it disappear in minutes. Do you love smoky chicken dishes like this? What's your favorite? Chicken curry, chicken fry, or chicken snacks? If this made you hungry, share it with a foodie friend. Don't forget to subscribe to Innovent Foods for more mouth-watering recipes.